In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic calendar drop-down in Google Sheets, making it much simpler to select dates directly within your spreadsheets. This handy feature is perfect for keeping your data organized and can be particularly useful for project timelines, schedules, or any document where tracking time is crucial. To get started, open your Google Sheets document where you want to add the calendar feature. If you don't have a particular spreadsheet in mind, you can create a new one by opening Google Sheets in your browser and hitting the blank option. Once you're in your document, click on the cell where you'd like the drop-down calendar to appear. Remember, you can always move this around, so don't worry too much if you're unsure about the perfect location at first. Next up, navigate over to the menu bar and click on Data. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Data Validation from that list. This feature is where we'll set up the criteria for this cell. Once you click on it, a dialog box will pop up with various options. Focus your attention on the criteria section. Click on the field next to it, and a list will appear. Here's where the magic happens. You'll choose Date from this list since we're aiming to insert a calendar feature. By doing this, you tell Google Sheets to expect date formats in this particular cell. Moving forward, you'll see some other options under Data Validation, specifically on invalid data and appearance. These options let you set what happens if the data doesn't fit the criteria and how the drop-down menu looks. For a smoother user experience, it's generally a good idea to set it to Reject Input for invalid data. Meanwhile, the appearance option lets you customize how this cell behaves visually. Tweak these to fit your preferences or leave them as is for default settings. Once your criteria and settings are in place, hit the Save button. Now, if you click on that designated cell, you'll notice a small calendar icon appearing right next to it. When you click on this icon, a calendar pop-up will appear, making it easy for you to pick a date that is automatically formatted into the cell you've selected. With this step, you've successfully transformed a standard cell into a powerful date selection tool. As a quick tip, if you want to apply this calendar drop-down to multiple cells, you can simply drag the corner of the formatted cell over the range of cells you need. This feature scales well, saving you the hassle of setting up each cell individually. And there you have it. Adding a calendar drop-down menu in Google Sheets can significantly simplify date tracking and improve the accuracy of your data entries. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore this feature further to maximize productivity in your Google Sheets projects.